In this evening's edition of the Health Report, concerns are being raised about the number of persons under 40 years old who are being diagnosed with throat cancer linked to the human papilloma virus, HPV. TVJ Shamela Pullen tells us more.
The Health Report: decades ago, the vast majority of persons diagnosed with throat cancer would be 50 years and over. But consultant ear, nose and throat surgeon Dr. Merton Smith says the demographic now being diagnosed is changing. He said persons in their 30s and 40s are getting throat cancer linked to the human papilloma virus, HPV.
We have found that has something to do with an increased prevalence of the human papilloma virus in the throat. Now, this virus gets to the throat through oral sex. And that has been one of the things that we have seen more recently. And it has caused a stir in the community and has caused some controversy.
The HPV is usually found within the genital tract. Dr. Smith says it is estimated that about 90% of persons who are sexually active are exposed to the virus. However, most people may not be affected.
The human papilloma virus, what it does, it gets into the tissues and it transforms the cells and causes cancers. Patients may not necessarily have genital warts. So if you're looking to say it's safe to have oral sex because this person does not have genital warts, then you may actually be wrong. Sure, if they do, then you're definitely going to know that you must stay away. But a lot of people actually carry the virus without having the clinical manifestation of genital warts.
Treatment for HPV-linked throat cancer is similar to that for other types of throat cancer.
We manage it just like how we'd manage the alcohol and tobacco-induced throat cancers, with slight differences. One difference is that, as we said, we know that the outcome is actually a little bit better, so we don't have to be as aggressive with the human papilloma virus induced cancers, but we still would do the same things such as surgery to resect the smaller lesions, and then we may follow that up with radiation based on what the lab results show.
However, once diagnosed, these persons will always be under the supervision of a medical doctor. The cancer can reoccur, or the affected individual can develop other types of cancers later in life. With your Health Report, I'm Shamela Pullen, wishing you good health. The Health Report.